ओम श्री दुर्गाय नमः। ओम श्री दुर्गाय नमः। ओम श्री दुर्गाय नमः। Namaste everyone. My name is Preeti Kumari and my team member name is Shivam Bhaiya, Rupam, Mausam Di, Anjali Di and Kabhi Bhaiya. And I want to tell you one story. One woman who is fight with a demon and whose name was everyone know, but I want to ask you, if you know the name then you can say us. That's name is Durga. So who is Durga? So goddess Durga. Are you thinking who is goddess Durga? If you thinking, then I will tell you who is goddess Durga and how he formed and how he become and why he become and which festival do he celebrate and why we celebrate the festivals. First, my content is introduction. Who is goddess Durga? Why she came into an exist festival, visiting sites, economics, politics, facts, and conclusion. My topic is introduction. Are you thinking who is Shaktism? Who is Shaktism? Shaktism is goddess Durga. Why he called Shaktism? Because he have a many special power that can not other goddess power. Like he is made up by the Shivji, Vishnuji and Brahmaji. Why? Because the demon is the very angry and very bad. That's why they have a many special power. That's why Durga ji become to lose the him. And why? What is the other name of Durga? Other name of Durga is Adi Shakti, Brahmacharni, and many other name. What is mantra of Durga? I mention in first that mantra Om Shri Durgaye Namaha. And what is the weapon of Durga? The weapon, all the goddess are give the weapon to Durga because the demon are not killing. In the demon is very strong. You can think that in 9 days demon kill. Why? Because the demon is very strong and the Durga Ma is very strong because Ma is a love and care all the peoples who are bad, then he kill the bad persons. And what is the weapon of Durga Ma? The weapon of Durga Ma is chakra, trishul, bow and arrow and many other. The Durga Ma give other god and goddess give him a weapon. So which text the mention about Durga Ma? In Veda Atharva Ved, that mention in Vedas that Durga Ma, and in the Markandeya's Puran there was a mention about the Durga ji, and there was a man. Why Durga ji ride the lion? Because according to Wikipedia, the Durga ji lion riding because one day Durga ji one day in the form of Parvati Ma, he was meditation because he want to gain the God Shivji, and he done the meditation and he got the Shivji. Then her color was be a dark. Then one day Shivji joke him that your color is dark. Then he angry and he go to the jungle and he meditation that I will be a Gauri and then I come in your house. Then he done the meditation. During the meditation the lion are going from her path, and he see her path and he see thinking that what the Ma Parvati is doing. Then that's time he doing meditation. At that time the God Shivji come and say you bath in the Ganga, then you be a Gauri. And that time the Parvati Ma name is Gauri. And during that time the lion all are there, and Durga Ma is thinking that at that time during my meditation there was a lion. That's why you be my rides. So my other topic. So I want to give you a slok. या देवी सर्वभूतेषु लक्ष्मी रूपेण संस्थिता Namastasya, 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 Namo Namah. It means, yeah, it means you are the roop of Lakshmi, and you think that all are very good. If you go to any home, then every home are goodly receive. If you don't, if you angry with any home, then her life will not goodly go. And it means Namastasya, Namastasya, Namo Namah. It means that your namaste, your repeat, your bar namaste. So other content discovered by my teammate.
So I start my content. My content is who is Goddess Durga and who is has been coming into an existence. And in this content I explain about Mahishasur birth and death and Durga Mata birth. Let's start my content. Mahishasur is very powerful person because he is originated from male and buffalo. Because his father Rambasur is fell in love with a buffalo and that buffalo is situated in underwater. Then both power are available in Mahishasur. And Mahishasur is belonged in a Maharshi family. Maharshi means religious teachers, and he was a grandson of Maharshi Kashyap. And then Mahishasur was a very big worshipper of Lord Brahma because Lord Brahma gave his blessings all the peoples. Then they do meditation for Lord Brahma, and then they happy Lord Brahma. Then Lord Brahma came and they say that what I give you blessings. Then Mahishasur said that but who you gave me blessings, I never die. Then Lord Brahma said that I cannot do give these blessings because birth things can certain that can die. Then I can give another blessings. Then Mahishasur very think and they can say that you can give me blessings. I can never die any human hand, God and demons. Then I can die a human hand. Then Lord Brahma gave his blessings. Then Mahishasur was very powerful. Then think that I was a very powerful person. Then captured of demons area like Yamlok and Mrityulok. Then they think that I can capture also a god area. Then they attack the Indralok. Then all gods are very curious, and then Lord Shiv, Vishnu are all together, and they can do fights with fight with Mahishasur, but they cannot win with Mahishasur because Mahishasur was a very powerful person. Then Lord Vishnu said that I can do a meditation for a Lord Durga. Then they do meditation, and then Durga Mata emerged in Ganga river. Then all gods are gave his weapons and powers. Then Durga Mata is very powerful. Then they came the Himalayas and they shouted very loudly. Then killed all Mahishasur areas and demons army forces. Then forcibly Mahishasur was war with Durga Mata. Then Durga Mata and Mahishasur was born in conclude in 9 days, and this 9 days Durga Mata contained in 9 forms. Then these 9 forms are worship in Durga Puja, and Durga Mata killed the Mahishasur in a Sudarshan Chakra. And this Sudarshan Chakra gave by the Lord Vishnu in Durga Mata. And not only Durga Mata killed the Mahishasur, also killed the another demons just like a Sumbha Nishum, Chanda Munda killed on a Kali forms. Then my content is called. Then I call my team partner Rupam.
So I am continuing this presentation. So firstly my content is 9 forms of Durga Ma. So 9 forms Durga Ma in names. First is Shailputri, and second is Brahmacharini, third is Chandraghanta, fourth is Kusmanda Mata, and fifth is Sakanda Mata, and sixth is Katyayani Mata, and seventh is Kalrati, and eighth is Mahagauri, and ninth is Siddhiratri. So I am short information of 9th form of Ma Durga. So firstly for Shailputri Mata. So Shailputri is the second part of Ma Sati. So first is name of Sati is and he is the daughter of Daksha, and he is the fire of body is in Havan Kund. So second parts and second birth of Shailputri in Himalayas daughter, and he is the second wife of Lord Shiva. And gods is Brahmacharni. Brahmacharni is parts of said Putri Matas because he is the Brahmacharni for he is the husband of Lord Shiva and he is the thousand of years in meditation in Himalayas and he is the name of Brahmacharni. So third is Chandraghanta. So mention about Chandraghanta Mata. His name is she is a head of half moon and he is a shape of Ghanta. So he is the name of Chandraghanta Mata. So second is Kusmanda. Kusmanda Mata is mentioned about he is the earth survive of peoples and he is a blessing of peoples and all people in surviving in earth. So name is Kusmanda Mata. So second is Sakanda Mata. Sakanda Mata is name of Kartikeya mother. So he is the name of Sakanda Mata. So second is Katyayani Mata. So my team member is mentioned about for Ma Durga's forms and he is the first worship of Ma Durga is Rishi Katyayana. So he is a Ma Durga and happy and he is a bliss of daughters. So he is the name of Katyayani. So seven for is Kalrati. So my team member is a killed for Mahishasura and he is the forms of Kalis. So he is the name of Kalrati and his negative thinkings are finished and positive thinking is come of home. See Kalrati Mata. So eighth form is Mahagauri. He is related for Brahmacharni because he is a meditation of Himalaya. His body of dark. So Lord Shiva is happy and he is a blessing. So he is a bathing of Ganga and he is a body of white. So he is the name of Mahagauri. So last is Siddhirati. Siddhirati is the according to Wikipedia. So Siddhirati also worship of Lord Shiva. So he is a blessing of Siddhirati is Ardhanareshwar of Lord Shiva's. So is a Siddhirati. So my second topic is festivals. So festivals are not only for Durga Puja. So he is a part of Tej, Ashtami, Navratri, Durga Puja and Kali Puja. So I am related for Durga Puja. So Durga Puja is all members are understand for Durga Puja and celebrated for home in every year. So I am short information of festivals enjoying. So firstly is come for home in 9 days for Durga Ma and worship for peoples in both our peoples and happiness and many times our worships and go for fruits and sweets for offering for Ma Durga's and first day he is the class sthapans for homes and come for Ma Durga in home and so 7 days. 7 day is Ma Durga for group in Kalratri. So he is a come and he is the next day for 8 and 9 days is come for 9 children 8 to 10 age of girls income of homes and he is the worships and he is the eating for foods and sweets and peoples are blessing for 9 girls and go for other homes. So festivals are fairs times enjoy for peoples and children go in fair times and eating for junk food and sweet for idols is worship in any places. So enjoying times. So my second topic is precautions. Precautions is follow is has for Uttar Pradesh and Bihar's rules and regulations. So Bihar and Uttar Pradesh we should not eating for non-veg in 9 days. We should not eat for onions and garlics and we should not also drink for alcohol. So he is the very powerful lady is come of home. So negative thinking not is and not negative thinking in mind. So he is a follower for timing in fixing for Navratri times for morning and evening times. For morning times is book of reading in Ma Durga's and aartis and worships and offering for fruits and misties for evening time. So only for aarti not reading for Ma Durga's parts. So is the rules follow of Uttar Pradesh and Bihar sides people. So West Bengal side. So West Bengal is a famous of Ma Durga's. For Bengali are biggest festivals enjoying and biggest West Bengal side. How is biggest festival in West side? Because he is the mythology as per mythology peoples mention about Ma Durga is the birthplace of West Bengal. So he is the biggest festival in West Bengal. And West Bengal is not follow for Uttar Pradesh in Bihar's because he is the offering for fish in Ma Durga's. He is not non-veg for 9 days because he is the very for non-veg in offering for Ma Durga. For my second member is
Good afternoon of all. My topic is visiting site this Mata Durga, and my mention is Vaishno Devi temple, this Jammu and Kashmir. For my side, Vaishno Devi, wordless in every people. This Mata Vaishno Devi define this everyone. Mata Vaishno Devi is Trikuta mountain in live this Mata Vaishno Devi. Mata Vaishno Devi oldest name is Trikuta. That Vishnu relative than Vaishnavi. That Vaishno Devi is three pinds. That Mahakali, Mahadurga, Mahasaraswati. That Mata Vaishnavi is Adrishya Roop that live. And Vaishno Devi is a famous temple this country, and eight Shakti Peeth this counting this Vaishno Devi. Vaishno Devi is famous this Vaidavnath. Vaidavnath is Trikuta. Vaishno Devi the 3 kilometers behind behind this live this Vaishno Devi. Vaishno Devi is famous is Ardhakumari. The Ardhakumari is 9th month is Mata Garv this Vaidavnath behind this Gufa, and Vaishno Devi is 13 kilometer. Every people is food then Mata Gufa in live. That Vaishno Devi is most popular visiting site this Jammu and Kashmir, and Katra this live is Vaishno Devi Yatra is thing. That my second is Jamuna Devi temple in Himachal Pradesh, and third is Kamakhya temple. Kamakhya temple this define this me, and Kamakhya temple is a 51 Shakti Peeth is most popular this Assam Guwahati Assam it Kamakhya Devi. Kamakhya Devi temple is Ambucha festival in famous this June. That behind all people is red cloth in every people is behind this Mata Kamakhya temple. The Kamakhya temple is every people is blessed than children and married, and every wish in every people. That Kamakhya temple is Sati Mata Sati is Garbhagriha. That Yoni is in live. That Shiva God, and Mata Kamakhya Devi temple is famous than 11th and 12th century. This is believed than every people. And Kamakhya Devi temple is Jaimangala Ghat that connected in and every Durga Mata and Sati Mata is connected this 51 Shakti Peeth this then Kathmandu that Mukti Dham, and second is Gupteshwari Mata in Kathmandu 2 Shakti Peeth this, and Begusrai. The Begusrai is Badi Durga, then Mata Budi Durga. Then believe this every people that Munger 108 Badi Durga Mata in the connected this Sati Mata, and this is Ma Durga. Ma Durga is Ardh Shakti and Shakti no Roop that believe this everyone, and Durga Puja that any festival is connected this Ma Durga, that Brahma Vishnu Mahesh, that every culture in believe Mata is a birth of children, that every woman this is Mata Durga, that thing. Economics.
I am continuing this presentation, and my topic is economics of Durga Puja. Durga Puja, one of the most significant and religious and cultural festival in India, and Durga Puja is the business level is a high, very high growth, and in these festivals are celebrated from West Bengal, Uttar Pradesh, West Bengal, Odisha, Assam, and Bihar and Jharkhand and other states. In these festivals are increasing the economics, and so I was business and commerce, business and commerce. In these festivals are many employees and many employees are all the sectors are business and commerce. In these festivals are all the products are selling in high, and so example from puja shops and clothes and all the sectors. And next is employment opportunity. In these festivals are all the employee are very great opportunity in temporary, because in these festivals are decorated the Durga Puja pandals from West Bengal. In these festivals are decorated the pandal from West Bengal. So last time pandal are decorated from West Bengal is Burj Khalifa, and the Burj Khalifa, one of the greatest pandal, is decorated from West Bengal. And so 20 lakh budget in this pandal, and the making her from employees in Durga Ma Murti, and employs opportunity in this festival, and a million of people are attracted in this in your talents in employees. And so tourism and the attractive from Murti, Durga Ma, and the pandals from West Bengal, and the tourism many countries and many states of India so going to and visit from Burj Khalifa pandals. And so Burj Khalifa pandals and your economics and the tourisms are why source of Burj Khalifa pandals is visiting. So firstly was transportation and travel to rail, airlines, and auto, e-rickshaw, and all the sectors are to continue in these times, and all the sectors are grow up in these festivals. And the government revenue in these festivals are taxes and indirect GST in these festivals, and our country grow up in our economics levels, and not a country, that's to include from in our states. So example West Bengal states in 2022 in grow in these festivals are very high of amounts. And in these festivals our consumer spendings in all the families are shopping her, and one piece of families are gifts. So in this festival, so clothes, jewelers, and etc. products to purchase. In these festivals are all the products and all the markets are very trend in these times. And so I was mention about to in these festivals are not a great festival from making a Durga ji and making a pandals. In these festivals are connected the religions, because so example, and I am in Hinduism persons, and so my friends are Islamic religions, and I am going to melas and to include our friends. And in these festivals are not any persons and any religions are instruction. In all the religions are include from in these festivals are very great points and very good points. And in these festivals are great level, and economics is very high. That's points. And all the festivals are not compulsory. In these festivals are very great level economics. And in these festivals are 9 days and 10 days. So Bihar I was experienced about that's my home. All the years are Durga Puja is celebrated, because 9 or 10 days all the days are making all the days are fight diya and including the ghee, and million of people and many people are present in India and to celebrate from Durga Puja at home. And all the persons are to include a ghee. And so ghee, so and in this times our ghee give products our business is a high level touched, and in this products in this festivals are making a diya. And do you know about all the students I am questioned, so do you know about what is the making of diya? And I am researching in this point. So making a diya to village persons are high level in making a diya, and many designs are present from in these festivals. And so in these festivals our products to market come and purchase all the towns persons in this festival. And in these festivals our village person and to town person are including. In these festivals are all the families are combined and joining us and happiness, because in this festival and my experience I was all the years in these festivals are organized at home, and all the families are invited in this festivals are participate, and all the families are in this festivals are very happiness enjoying us in this festival are very great. And our culture represent not up in this festival, our culture depends as too much village person and town person are included, and the religions are in our presenting us and culture also. And I want to call next member, please come to here.
So as my teammate already mentioned about the many of the things, I would like to go with the politics point. So in this politics point, we are going to see about how politics is being played with the help of these festivals. So as you will see in the West Bengal, there is a big amount of people is voting for their own culture, because if we are doing the same thing for the society, because if they are accepting it, then there is a main chances of being the hype for being the voted and being the as a, we can say, as a CM or the post we want. In this politics, we are not going only discussing about the actual politics, because politics is all about related to economics and histories. So as per our economics, my teammate also mentioned, and I would like to also give the short view that in this time, government is sponsoring all the pandavs in all the sectors, that each of the things will going to be the helpful, and the things is they give a big amount of money. That last time it was the budget of 20 lakh, and this time this could be the more like 25 lakh. So as in the last year, they have the budget around, they have gross around 32 lakh 377 crore. That is the huge amount. If we have some amount, that is around 2 to 3% of the GDP, as we seen as for the only festivals. As festivals also create the short-term temporary jobs. In that jobs, people getting the jobs and they are actually celebrating. If we are getting the benefit of if we are celebrating the festivals with our families, that will be a memorable for our things. Because if I am in the college and if I have got the opportunity to visit my home during the festival time, that will be very memorable things for me, and that will create a big hype for me that at least this time I have visited my family during the festival. And this thing around this festival, we go to melas like fairs. In these fairs, you can find many of the people selling the small toys, diyas, and all the things that is creating the job opportunities and all. So after that, I have some fact. In fact, you can find many of the things there, but I am not going to explain this. I am going to explain some of the other facts. That if we see in the portrait of the Ma Durga, she has the 8 or 10 hands. The hand means that she can protect her devotee from all the side, not from the front side or back side. She can protect from all the side. And you can see all the astras. We see astras like the Trishul. Trishul was given by the Lord Shiva and my teammate mentioned that the Mahishasur was killed by the help of the Sudarshan Chakra. But if you go to the many of the visiting sites during Durga Puja, you will find that Trishul is in the body of the Mahishasura. There is also theory that there is both the theory that is Ma Durga killed Mahishasur with the help of Sudarshan Chakra also, and also with the help of Trishula. And they are also with the Trishul and snakes and all. All the weapons says around different things. Like if we should see the bow. Bow means her lion. Lion means the courage. If you have the courage to do things, if you are being the most valuable thing, that if you are able to do the things, then you are courageous. If you see the bow and shankha means the peace. If you play the shankha during the, we also see in the, while a priest is making the puja, after the during the aarti time, they are making the sound of shankha, because while we make the sound of shankha, that gives the peace in the harmony within us. So that time we feel peace during all the things we actually going through. That time we forget all our pains. If you visited any of the temples at that time, you will feel that you are now peace, because if you don't feel that time you have to worry about your future or your past, you just feel your presence with the help of God. So I have some videos to play. Excuse me. Here is one more video. If you see the background of this place, if you see the background in this video, that is one of the temple of the Kolkata that is very famous for the Durga Puja. Last time we see the Burj Khalifa around this place only. That's why I put it this video. So there is a small bit of aarti. I would like to ask you to just join your hands. Just a little bit, sir. That's all, sir. And this is the conclusion part. So I would like to. I'm going to conclude the debate. Sorry, not debate. Actually, presentation. So while making this presentation, we have a little bit knowledge about the Ma Durga, and I would like to give the thanks to the sir that given us the very different topics from the past times, because that time we have not that much religious topics, so we just go to the internet and we got the knowledge. But this time you gave the spiritual things, so this time we get the more Hindutva person, because we have the little bit knowledge, and after this presentation we have get the more knowledge. So while making this presentation, we have get not much knowledge, but get a little bit more knowledge about the Durgaji, why she was created, and how Mahishasur was killed. In that sense, there is a theory that Mahishasur was actually killed after many times, because he was very powerful, because Lord Brahma given him the blessings. After that, he taken all the places, and he said that no one can kill me, only a lady can kill me. So he thought that who can kill me? A lady, I will surpass her. Actually, that happened when Durgaji went to the Mahishasur, and which she tried to kill him. That time he was so powerful that she was not able to kill him. So after that, she came to the Gufa and she prayed for the 9 months. So as per the data I have searched for, they have said that 9 months. In that 9 months, she prayed for the many things, and they got the Mahasakti. That's why we say that the Shaktism for the Ma Durga. She got the Shakti, and after that, the 9 month of period, she got the. She killed the Mahishasur. After that, my teammate also mentioned that other also killed. So in that sense, we can say that at the end of the day, there is a truth wins. Not if you are saying, if you are doing something bad for the society and for others also, being with the bad intention, that thinking that no, he will not going to know. But at the end of the day, you will see that the truth is going to win against the lie. So that is the all the thing we just said.
You show me your slides. For the slope of Madhura. So, explain this slope.
Its meaning is that which animals means animals of Devi, your namaste, your 100 times namaste, that means. And I have mentioned in past that about the Lakshmi.
Why we require such kind of a slope to worship any female and male deity? We have seen Hanuman Chalisa also for Hanumanji,
Yes, sir.
correct? And like Tandav for Shivji. So why we require such kind of a slope?
Because sir, it means our language is Sanskrit in past time. Now is our Hindi, but our language is our Sanskrit. And in Sanskrit, if you read the slok, then you feel the God is with me. If you read the slok in Hindi, that time you not feel the God is with me. But if you read in the slok in Sanskrit, then you feel the God is with me.
Yes, over to you. Good.
You mentioned about the battle between Goddess Durga and Mahishasur. But tell me, which folk dance represent this battle?
Question repeat.
You mentioned that about the battle between Mahishasur and Goddess Durga. So tell me, which folk dance represent this kind of battle?
Is there any dance?
Dance form?
Yes, sir.
Tell me about the dance form which represents the killing of that demon by.
Sir, I don't know exactly name about, but just like a Shivji Tandav that can, but just say similarly. Sir, not related to Gujarat, related to Durga Mata's dance form. Questions.
The Dandiya is related
Yes,
to.
sir. Garba is also related to Durga Mata.
So what is Ma Durga mean to you?
Mean to me. Durga Mata is a very powerful for all person, because they can deliver positive thing for all people. So they can come in 9 days of our home. They can all people think that they can save me for black magic and both any etc. Then Durga Mata is just like of our mother, because he shows our mother's.
Fair enough. Yes. Rupam. Rupam, you show me your slides. I think in 8 or 10 you have mentioned about the Kaliji, no?
Yes.
Kaliji. 6. Akal. So is Kaliji is a form of Ma Durga?
Yes, sir.
How it
Because-
got emanated from Ma Durga?
Because is the Ma Durga is form of Parvati. So Parvati is the any forms related to Ma Durga. So Ma Durga is forms of Kali. Because
That means if we worship Ma Parvati, that means we can worship any goddesses. Because ultimately Parvati is the female deity which are responsible for all the forms of female deities like your Ma Durga and other forms also.
Ma Parvati is related to others because he is many forms for Ma Parvati in Durga and Kali. So Kali is Ma Durga is because my team member mentioned about for Mahishasur in killing times Ma Durga is form of Kali because he is the Kali of all negative thinking in Phoenix. So he is the angry and he is the root of Kalis.
I really appreciate your knowledge. The way you connected Jamala Ghar with the Shakti Peeth is really appreciable for anyone sitting in the four corners of this world. So, and you have also mentioned about the Shakti Peeth of Nepal. You have mentioned about the two Shakti Peeth of Nepal.
That visit me.
You have visited. So, is there any connection between the Shakti Peeth which are in Nepal with that of Kamakhya?
That Sati Mata body part, then Mukti Dham, that Mata Sir, and Gupteshwari Mata, that Kathmandu, that Mata Kajanga, that visit then.
Is there any similarity or differences between the temple of Nepal and that of Kamakhya?
That Sati Mata body part, this any
Both are same.
no, that
Have you visited the Kamakhya Mandir?
no, that Vaishno Devi is visit.
You have visited the Vaishno Devi. So is there any relation between the temple of Vaishno Devi with that of Nepal temple?
No connected. That's that Vaishno Devi famous 8 Shakti Peeth. That Nepal Shakti Peeth, 51 Shakti Peeth. That.
Okay, fair enough. Yes.
Goddess Durga has 3 eyes. Tell me the significance of 3 eyes that Goddess Durga has.
Significance of
Three eyes of Durga.
What is the significance of third eyes?
That's the third eye is significance of any negative
Even in Mahadev also, no, in Siddhi also we have 3 eyes. I have always seen the picture of Mahadev with 3 eyes. So what is the relevance of having third eye?
Third eye is the access level.
What access level? Your presentation was so good. You have mentioned about the economic system of fair and festival related to Madhurga. You have mentioned beautifully. So I would like to ask you different questions. Is there any relation of sweets with the celebration of Madhurga?
Because sweets because in these festivals are not any non-veg included in Eastern India side. So example Bihar, Jharkhand not included from non-veg, and in these festivals are sweets is all the festivals.
Can you give me the names of the sweets which are associated with the God Durga?
Sweets, laddu.
Laddu, are you sure?
Yes sir.
Which kind of laddu?
Motichur laddu.
Motichur laddu.
Yes.
Motichur laddu can be offered to even Hanumanji also.
Yes sir.
Is there any specific sweets which are only dedicated to Ma Durga?
So I was so barfi.
Like in Ganeshji case also we offer modak, no?
Yes sir.
Is there any sweets which are only dedicated to Ma Durga? That's my question.
I don't.
Okay, last. Yes.
Okay, just imagine if you get an opportunity to meet Goddess Durga, then what do you demand and ask her, and what is the reason behind this?
Okay, so I am not. I would like to explain that I am not that fortunate that I will be able to meet the Durga because I am in Kaliyug. But I will explain, sir. Because in this Kaliyug, no one is that much pure to get the roop of any of the many god and goddess. So if I get the opportunity, let's imagine if I get the opportunity to get the roop of Ma Durga, I will ask her to give me the little bit of knowledge and blessings because this time I am not getting.
Little bit knowledge is sufficient for you.
Because if I am asking little bit, then Mata will give me that much enough for the society. Because my little bit is this and Mata's little bit is this. So we can say that Mata will give me
Ma
the.
Durga will be stick with your
My
words.
point. Yes, sir. If I am asking for my demand that give me a little bit of knowledge, I will ask that what actually I need. That much only I will
You have
need.
knowledge.
Yes, sir. I will need knowledge for. Yes, sir.
About which knowledge you require?
Sir, peace and meditation and about the world, sir. Because I don't want the bookish knowledge, sir. Bookish knowledge can be get by the reading the books, but the actually things we need to learn from the society and to give the how to value others, like how to take care of the bigger ones, how to give the respect to smaller
Very
ones. Too.
easy. Don't read the books and you'll find everything.
Yes, sir. That is
Go to the market, roam here and there, you will get
No, sir.
this kind of knowledge.
You can command any tree that present in the world. Then why you prefer knowledge?
because there is a. I have listened a story. I will not. I will say that. Wait. No. In that say that there is a kid who is looking for the God. Please give me this. Give me this. Give me this. When the Krishna gave his roop that उन्होंने जब उनको वो दिया अपना रूप दिखाया.
Your Prime Minister of India?
Yes. No. I don't want to be. Because there is a lots of security threats. I don't want to die early because I have many dreams to alive. If I become the PM of India, then I have to serve my country. Yes, I am ready to serve my country, but I don't want to be the 24/7 into the camera and with the gun point. If I have that much of courage, I don't want to do that.
That means you have no such quality to become the PM of
Yes, sir, I don't have that one. And I don't need, sir, actually. Because to become the PM of India is a big responsibility, sir. And I don't think that I am able to. I don't think, sir, that I am able to.
So you could have asked these things to Lord.
Sir, as you asked what I need, sir, I actually tell you, I cannot tell what you were thinking about me to ask the goddess. So I am telling about myself what I need. I am not telling about what you need, want me to ask.
If Goddess Durga give you the best option,
Yes.
why you are not accepting that offer?
If she is giving me the offer, then I will accept, sir. If she is asking me to ask me
If
that,
she-
because I am a kid right now. Because against you, only I am the kid.
He was also a kid at
Yes.
the age of 21 years.
Yes, sir.
Correct?
Yes, sir.
If Goddess Durga said you that, okay, you are capable and in times to come, with the lots of training and practices, you will become the
So I will do, sir. So after that, I will do, sir. Because if I am
Why you change your mind?
no, sir. She is saying that you are now capable. So I will do my duties because she is telling me you are now capable to do this. But if I am not, I am not.
That means without Durga you are not capable.
No, sir. That's not correct. I can do, but I am not. I don't want to do, sir. That's also my point.
If Durga give force you, then you.
I can, sir. If you force me to, then I will also do, sir. That, because we have given the presentation. I
What
have
about your opinion?
on what?
And what about your opinion?
On what?
You will force by others to reach to some.
If I am happy with my statement, if he give me the presentation on the Goddess Durga, I am happy because I am going to get the chance to get the more knowledge. So I am doing this. If I am not interested, then because he asked me, do you want to do? I said yes, I want to do. If I don't want it to do, I can say that no, I don't want to do because I have some work. I can give the excuses, but I didn't give the excuses. I am just coming from the school and after I am doing that. So I think that I am.
You should be very grateful to
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Lord Goddess Durga.
Yes, sir. I am grateful, sir. I am grateful, sir. I am not showing, but I am grateful,
Someday
sir.
She will come in your dream and she will ask you about the candidature of PM.
I will be very fortunate for that, sir.
So any
Thank you,
message
sir.
to the audience?
Sir.
I appreciate it. Very good, Kavi. Second beautiful.
I want to give you message about the eyes of Durga Ma. The right eyes of Durga Ma is significance the moon, and the left eyes of Durga Ma is significance of sun, and the middle eyes of Durga Ma is significance of fire and knowledge. I want to give you the the message that don't be afraid, don't be hesitate. You are giving the presentation about God. God is with you and you are giving the presentation. Always be happy and good. Don't be not satisfied. Always be satisfied, because God know what you want to in any time God know what you want to do, and God give you. But you have to also do a hard work, and you always do hard work, then you will success. If you do not do hard work, then you will not success. If you doing the prayer without the hard work, then you cannot success. If you doing the prayer with the hard work, then you can success.
Very good. Very good.